Namaste. Welcome to Sujata's Health, Wellness and Meditation channel. A warm welcome to Sujata's 26-day Beginner's Level Guided Meditation Challenge. 26 days, 26 alphabets. In this challenge, we will be exploring self-affirmations starting from letter A to Z for self-motivation and self-improvement. Hopefully, by the end of this 26th day challenge, or perhaps even sooner, you will be pleasantly surprised at your newly found ability to sit in silence for longer than you were ever able before. Discover this deep wellspring of pure silence, serenity, and rejuvenating calmness all within you. It is my pleasure and honor to guide you through this practice and motivate you all through this 26-day experience. My best wishes to all of you who are searching for a journey of motivation, rejuvenation, and healing self-affirmation. Here are some guidelines. As we start our practices, please maintain an open mind and open heart. Keep all your expectations and excitements at bay and simply be present in the moment. Consider this a mini vacation for you to get to know yourself more deeply. Accept the outcome as is. All the self-affirmations can be simply observed or repeated quietly in your mind. Choose a warm and comfortable place. Set a dedicated time aside in your day for this practice. The mornings are the most suited time for beginners doing this practice, but evenings can work quite as well. Please make sure you have half empty stomach. Kindly do not drink or eat anything in the middle of the practice. For breathing practices, please do only as much as you can. If you begin to feel lightheaded, please take a break and start back again whenever you're feeling comfortable and ready. It's okay if you miss a day, but please don't forget to start back again on the very next day. Experience, understand, and explore. Sit in a comfortable position on a chair or on the floor with a proper back, neck, and leg support. Palms loosely placed on your lap, facing the ceiling or clasped together. Your whole body completely relaxed. No tightness anywhere in your body. Smile and accept the surrounding noises as is. Keep your eyes closed till the end and kindly use the earphones for better experience. Duration of the practices. We are starting the meditation practices from 7 minutes with 3-minute progression every 5 days. First 5 days, 7 minutes of practice. Second 5 days, 10 minutes. Third 5 days, 13 minutes. Fourth 5 days, 16 minutes. Fifth 5 days, 19 minutes. And the grand finale, the last day of the challenge, will be around 22 to 23 minutes. Let the challenge begin. Again, my best wishes to you all. Thank you.